Normally with a video like this, well, let's just be honest, I would give you guys some time to actually realize that there wasn't going to be a cute little b-roll, but today's video is a lot different than any other one on my channel because this video is strictly to show you not a cute little makeup tutorial, but instead how you should wash your hands, and that you should definitely wash your hands given the situation. In these trying times, we are faced with not knowing exactly what's going on. We know COVID-19 is an airborne virus. We know it means it's able to be spread through just being around someone who has it. We know it's making its way around the world and that it's dangerous. Past that, there isn't much that we know about it. Some things we should take into account are to wash your hands. Washing your hands in any type of way is obviously going to be the best suited option, but if you're going one step further than that, you're going to want to wet your hands with clean running water, warm or cold. Turn off the tap and apply soap. Honestly, you don't really have to turn off the tap, but let's save water, guys. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. Even one of the little scrubby things you can buy from like the drugstore or whatever, or you can get it online because ain't nobody want to go outside right now. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you need a timer, hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. We all know how super awkward it is to have everybody around you singing that to you, so why not practice some facial expressions while you're at it? Rinse your hands well under clean running water and then dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. And if you did, in fact, make yourself into Santa Claus, then definitely take that off your face as well. Maybe miss some, but just go back. You're good to go. For past washing your hands often, if you are in a situation in which that isn't possible, carry hand sanitizer with you. Don't shake hands with anybody, and if you do, obviously follow those current steps. Don't go out if you can help it. Don't take transit if you can help it. Work from home if that's possible. Isolate yourself as best as you can. This doesn't mean you aren't able to do anything social. FaceTime with friends, maybe call them, check in with your family, clean up your room, let your creativity flow. Watch some Netflix or maybe some Amazon Prime or whatever streaming service you have. Ask a friend for theirs if you need to, just if you need something to do so you don't feel like you're out of options. There are so many options besides panicking and buying all the toilet paper that you can get your little grubby hands on, which I don't even understand why. Buying any mask that you can find, they only help you not to spread your germs. They are not going to be helping you not getting sick at all. Those germs from other people can get in through any orifice of your body. Example, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your mouth, anything like that. Or buying all the food in the grocery store, you need to ration. Because even though we need to take some time apart right now physically, we also need to work together. Stay safe, and though this is scary, don't succumb to being alone. Just because we have been told to isolate ourselves does not mean we can't be there for each other. Just do remember that, because I know a lot of people right now are freaking out because they can't be with their friends or their family, but you definitely can. Just make sure it's not physically, because you can do more harm than good if anybody in the vicinity is sick. And don't forget that it's not just about you guys. If you're sick and you can get over it, kudos to you, but some people can't, and it may end up hurting them in the end a lot more than it hurts you.